Welcome to my new shop. Well, it's my newest shop. We've had it about a year. It's been storage / packing and shipping for the meantime, with the intentions of fitting it out eventually is now. So what we're gonna do, we have 1,000 square feet here with 20-foot ceilings. So that means that we can subdivide most of this with the second floor. So we're gonna start doing that now from about here back.
Thank you to Carolina Shoe for making this video possible. Work boots that make you 50% better at building things and 100% more attractive. Check out the links down below to access their site-wide 20% off Black Friday sale, plus an exclusive Black Friday boot for a limited time. More on that later. With this side of the shop cleared, I'm able to start laying out my framing. Starting with the more complicated side of the shop, complicated by the stairs that will go to the second floor, plus a little entryway area too. But other than that, the basic construction is pretty simple, with 2x4 walls, with standard 16-inch stud spacing, with a pressure-treated plate on the bottom of the wall. This, along with its twin on the other side, is what will support the floor system. The floor system is made up of these wooden eye joists. You'll notice they're actually spaced tighter than the wall studs at 12 inches on center, in case we end up putting some more weight on the floor than you normally would in a typical mezzanine like this. Maybe someday I start collecting pallets or something crazy like that. You never know. Oh, look who finally decided to show up. Cam's here. Cam is, unfortunately, a longtime friend of mine, and also business partner on this commercial bay that we own together. Anyway, besides the regular joists, this floor system also includes a few of these beams that are just built up out of the wooden eye joists, sandwiched with 2 inches of material to pad out and fill in the cavity between the joists. The first beam is installed on the open bay end of the floor, and even though he's quite mouthy, it's nice to have some extra muscle for this step. There's a couple more of these beams, one on either side of the stairway opening. The one at the top of the stairs is actually a tripler, so I don't even try to do that on the floor, and just install it and pad it out right where it's going to live. Perpendicular to this beam, a double LVL is spec'd, so I install a joist hanger and this short hallway wall to support that, so that the stairs can be built and the remainder of the floor joists can get installed. Oh, look who's back. Nailing down the joists that are this close together isn't fun.
Well, this sucks.
So I put Cam and his much too exposed dad bod right to work.
I didn't
We decide to reconfigure the bathroom walls to get rid of this useless cubby area. This includes removing the drywall on the outside so that I can install this doorway opening, which will be the new location for the bathroom door. At the same time, I also frame the doorways at the hallway and at the bottom of the stairs. And then I run into a bit of a problem. Why would the bathroom be locked? Oh, hey, you know why the door's locked? I'm busy.
Hey, why is the door locked? That's what I said. I know, what if I get him? This guy's locking the bathroom, keeping it all to himself.
Well, I guess I'll clean up that mess, finish removing that wall, and address this bathroom privacy issue that we've created. The old door and door frame get removed and slid a few feet to the side where they get installed in their new location. Where the old doorway was located, I infill it with a plate and some studs, fixing our privacy issue.
Please give me some privacy.
Maybe not. A little bit of drywall will fix that, and then I can move back to the second floor, where I can frame as if I'm a woodworker with pocket screwed blocking and unnecessary scribed sheathing. Yeah, it's a bit of extra work, but come on. Just look at that fit. Can't argue with that. The sheathing is all installed except for a couple of sheets on the end that I just set in place temporarily because we have a trifecta of obstacles on this end of the floor. One is this rogue plumbing vent pipe that's in the way. Two is this bathroom sprinkler head that is also in the way. And three is this guy, who's merely an Instagram model and part-time carpenter, and not a commercial plumber or sprinkler fitter. Luckily, one of those things is easy to fix, so while the plumbing is getting relocated, I install this LVL in the corner against the wall to act as a ledger board. This will hold the remainder of the joist that will be installed past the stairway opening. Later, a post is also installed under the ledger in the corner. Now, with the plumbing relocated, I'm able to complete the floor frame. Well, mostly. There's just the double joist, which happens to line up perfectly with the sprinkler head, so I leave it angled for now, and I'll install it for real once the sprinkler head gets moved. The rest of the floor sheathing just gets set in place temporarily, because holes in the floor are super uncool. This little triangle wall that closes off the stairs is the final bit of framing to wrap up. Moving back upstairs now, I'm going to begin finishing this space by installing flooring, reclaimed basketball flooring. Just kidding. A little quicker solution to that. Up here I decide to go with carpet tiles, but not just any carpet tiles, mystery carpet tiles. These are random leftover commercial grade carpet tiles sold for pretty cheap. The catch? This means random colors, which I'm cool with, but also random thicknesses, which I'm not as cool with. So my clever solution for that is this thickness gauge that I create on my laser. This gauge allows me to gauge the thickness of each tile, and then sort them and just return the extras that are on either end of the spectrum. But before I put the carpet down, I think I need some new footwear. Well, would you look at that? These are the Midnight Amp boots from Carolina Shoe. This exclusive union-made style is built to perform with exceptional craftsmanship. Available online only and only during Black Friday. So don't wait, once they're gone, they're gone. Besides that, be sure to take advantage of Carolina Shoe's site-wide Black Friday sale for a limited time. Save 20% off using the code in the description of this video for your next favorite pair of boots, socks, pencil caps. And they have a bunch of new apparel now too, like this waffle knit shirt, this Shacket, and even flannels now too. Links are down below. Alright, let's see what this random flooring is going to look like.
So I just have a couple loose ends left to tie up, like the final edge carpet pieces and a sheet of drywall here or there, but I'm calling this project done for now. So I have to get the sprinkler contractor and the electrical contractor here to do their thing, but this is my side of the bay and this is Cam's side of the bay. So sucks to be him. I'm gonna start moving my stuff upstairs now and restore some sense of organization to the first floor space. Actually, you can help me with that by buying some of my Adirondack chair templates, or anything on my site really. Jackman Black Friday, 20% off site-wide, including my templates and every single thing in my store. Details, link, coupon, everything is down below. The more you buy, the less I have to move. And then you get a deal too, you get a discount. So I feel like we're both winning here. I don't know, it feels good to me. Thank you for your support.